My country people, una welcome back to my channel today. Alex, Anika and Neo, we don dey hear rumour to say they be one of the many causes of AY marriage falling apart. And also congratulations are in order for Big Brother Naija shine your eye housemate Peace as she don dey engaged few hours ago. So since the rumour of this AY marriage with im wife, AY na Nigerian comedian, since the news come out, they don bring some BB Naija housemate name wey be say follow for the course of the marriage allegedly, and Alex name dey for inside, Anika name dey for inside. Gistlover dey claim to say na Alex, the other one dey say na Anika. We no know who we wan believe. But with the way Alex run take deactivate her Instagram account, e shows to say there's something fishy. You no fit dey run katakiti when you no do anything wrong. They say the guilty are always afraid. From wetin the blogger dey talk, e dey claim to say Alex dey close to the couple. She just be like a family friend to them, but she dey shine AY Congo. And everybody online dey point hand at Alex even more than the Anika sef. I no know wetin dey sup. I remember say e get the time wey be say dem dey warn dem that time, dem dey warn Alex say make she stay away from the married couple, all those type of thing. But she no see am as anything. Na that thing wey be say dey talk, most times e no dey good sef make you as a single dey be friends with married couple sometimes. Me, any of my friend wey be say I see to say dey move mad, I dey always avoid dem. I no want issues. Make we see some reaction after this Alex name come out for AY marriage saga. So the first person here says, Alex, that one can pretend for Nigeria, Africa and the world. She was forming goddaughter and shifting pants. That one say Alex is well brought up, her mom did a good job and I know them personally. You all should rest, because the last person say honestly for years they've been dragging Alex. None of their weary bloggers don't bring proof. Mabe is still following Alex and Alex families. Mabe wish Alex on her birthday this February. I really don't understand why they can't let her be. They really want it to be her badly. No think AY go open ikorokoro eye, leave beautiful woman like Mabel go follow Alex. I know they say Alex not fine, but if una look the two, una know who fine pass. So I don't know. Some men they very useless. If you see check and where they go, they can do anything. They don't even care how beautiful their wife it looks. They fit still go outside go follow Otokoshisu. It's just in some of their nature. So unto Neo matter, Neo na another name wey be say they call for the saga for the marriage. They say immediately Neo hear to say the marriage between AY and the wife maybe don hit rock bottom. Na so in dive enter the thing. He won't go shoot his shot with the woman. Na so AY call Kolobi and for gym, come they almost beat am for there, come give am a last warning. This na wetin the blogger talk. Now just summarize am for now. If you get time, you can pause this video and read wetin the blogger dey talk. Be say I don't know whether Neo do am or not, but from the way Neo dey behave, wetin we watch for inside the house, that boy looks like that boy cannot be trusted. I just hope say wetin be her name, Beauty Tukura, go dey cautious with this boy, because the way the boy dey audacious for that shoe when he dey deny the girl. Imagine somebody coming on national television to deny you, say you no be his girlfriend. You no supposed to go back to that type of person. If still be say Neo dey innocent, if it still be say no dey, but my own be say that ship wey be say Beauty dey with Neo, it is not advisable. You see some comment. The first person here say, I don't have any business with Neo. I am not a carrier of celebrity news. Lover tell us about you, Ujebe. So una know say they mention Bella sister name for the matter too. Say she follow for people wey be say they shine AY Congo. We don't know how true that is, but those are the names wey be say they call. So another person come say this isn't true. I don't know why I don't believe this. The last person saying when he said can you afford me? I was like, since when did men begin to ask women that? I thought na my gender they ask men such questions. Now I get it. Relationship for Neo is business, so guy is in it for the money. I hope so all these Big Brother Naija people they respect their self, respect their age, because they are not children anymore, and behave themselves online. All these narratives getting out of hand for them. Not be good something. They say a good name is better than riches. So onto Peace matter. Peace was a housemate from the Shine Your Eye season. She was a lawyer. I think she's still a lawyer. I'm not gonna say was. Yes. So she na one of the most peaceful person for that season. Since the girl come out of Big Brother house, she just dey do her own business. You no go see peace for one single controversial post. See, and she don dey engaged now to the love of her life. A big congratulations to her. May God bless her union. Una take care. Una bye.